Hey babes, welcome back to Elevated with Zai, the space where we glow, grow, and level up in every way. If you're new here, hi, I'm Zai. Trust me, you're right on time. Let's just give ourselves a round of applause, y'all. We made it to the end of 2025, guys. So today is officially New Year's Eve, and in less than 12 hours, it will be 2026. Now on my channel, I have gave you guys a breakdown of what I usually do for New Year's. In remembrance of my grandmother, we always throw a party because her birthday is New Year's Eve. So I just want to say happy birthday, grandma. Happy heavenly 81st birthday to you. You already know we're gonna go up for you tonight. So as you guys know, family usually come over, we play games, we have good food, and we just spend time together until the ball drops. And then when the ball drops, a little dancing, and then everybody go home. Every year we just try and kick off the new year with family, friends, and good vibes, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm not gonna lie, no shade, your girl look a mess, okay? Hair crazy, no nails done, no lashes done. I have less than 4 hours to get myself together for real. My grandfather said he's coming over here around 7:30. It is 5 o'clock right now. Earlier in the day, I did go out and pick up some food. My mom is downstairs cooking right now. I still have to make my rasta pasta. I don't know if you guys know, but my signature dish that everybody asks for every year is rasta pasta. But I did happen to dice up all my peppers and my onions beforehand. I wanted to get that out the way so that when it was time for me to get in the kitchen, when my mom got out, I could just go ahead, start prepping the pasta, and start making the sauce and stuff. Is it just me, or you can't work in the kitchen when somebody else is working in the kitchen? I don't know, maybe it's just me. But yeah, your girl is basically on a time limit to get herself together for the new year. Everything I need is basically in this bag right here. So I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be doing my lashes for a fact, only because I want my lashes to grow in fuller, so around my birthday I can get individual lashes professionally done. So I think I'm still gonna do the hiatus, but I'm definitely will be doing my nails, and your girl is gonna put on this wig. For all my OG subscribers, y'all know my Beyonce unit. If you new here, you guys gonna see what the unit is looking like, but she gonna be a glueless install. And for the nails, I ordered me some black French tips from Temu, and I'm actually upset that I didn't read the description, because I'm thinking I was getting 2 sets of nails, and all reality I only got 1 set for real. And then they gave me a set for my toes, but y'all know me, I usually go to the nail bar and lash, but maybe I should start doing my own feet. This might be my sign. Save some money. So I'm gonna put on these black French nail tips, and I got me some new charms. It's a lot of different charms in here. I'm not a supporter of this, but it's big old guns in here. We got the money sign, money bag, dollar bill, smaller bags, and coins. So I think I'm definitely going to put dollar signs on my nails, just to manifest money growth, success in the new year. I don't know, they're really tiny. This is the, can you guys see it? That's the money bag, and then this is the dollar sign. I got all my supplies that I need because I literally knew how hectic this day was going to be. This day is always hectic, literally. So I kind of put everything I needed in this one bag, so I wasn't going to be scavenging. Am I saying that right? Y'all know what word I'm trying to say, just so I wasn't ruffling through all my stuff underneath my bed trying to find all my items. Y'all know the drill with the press-ons. I ordered this new tool from Temu as well, so I'm going to use that to put my charm into place where I want it. So my mom said by the time I finish my nails, she'll be done in the kitchen, which means that how I think this is going to go is I'm going to do my nails, go in the kitchen, make the food, go shower, come back, put my wig on. And I'm not going to even lie to you guys, I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. Mind you, all I gotta do is go to my living room, but I don't want to be looking regular, but I also don't want to be doing too much because I am going to my living room. So it's either giving a pair of Fashion Nova jeans I never wore. I have Fashion Nova clothes underneath my bed that I never wore ever. I don't know what I'm going for because I also don't want to wear anything that's gonna have me like hot. Enough with the chit chat. Let me begin prepping my nails so I can get my nails done, and welcome to my New Year's Eve maintenance vlog.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller.
Alright, y'all, so I finished putting on the tips. I don't know, I feel like I like them better on Temu for some reason. Maybe because they're longer. I wanted like a short French black nail tip, but I picked out 2 charms. For some reason, this wasn't picking up the charms at all. Like literally, like it was literally just smashing it. So I had to go back on my old tool to pick up the charm, and I decided on the money sign, if you guys could see it, because I know it's focused on my face, and the bag of money. So the only thing about these 2 charms is that 1, I don't know where I'm gonna place them at. That's 1. And 2, like I'm trying to figure out if I just want to keep my nails plain like this, or if I want to add the charms. But I feel like I just want to put the charms, you know, because our goal for 2026 is to continue chasing the bag. So I feel like I really want to put the, but then is it messing up the black French tip? I don't know. What do y'all think? Like, what do you guys think? Like, I just feel like I specifically ordered for that type of design, or maybe I should wait for another design and just keep it simple. Cause what time is it? I'm making good time, surprisingly. It's 5:46. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna decide. I'm gonna continue doing my nails, and I'm gonna decide if whether or not I'm gonna add the charms or not on it, and we're gonna see after, I guess, this clip.
Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charity. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you, thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you.
Alright guys, so I decided not to add the charms in, but we still chased to the bag for 2026. But these is how the nails came out. These tips aren't bad. I feel like it doesn't feel like it's gonna pop off. It doesn't feel like it's easy to bend, but you know how like like the quality of something isn't the best. Like I feel like I can kind of see through like the pink base, which I'm not too fond of, but overall these nail tips are not bad. I will link that down below in my description if you guys want to order it from Temu. Please don't make the same mistake. I would say look for a bigger pack. If you do want the one that has the toe tips in it, go for it. But if you're a girl like me, just look for the ones that has just the nail tips in it itself. It is now 6 o'clock. I am going to go downstairs, see if my mom is done cooking so that I can get in the kitchen. And yeah, we're just gonna move on from there. I cannot stress to y'all how overstimulated I am. Like, my nail came off. It's 8:50. I just got out the shower, y'all. Mind you, I was in the kitchen from like when I left you guys up until at least 8 o'clock, y'all. My guests got here at 7 o'clock. I'm standing in the kitchen, in a bonnet, in PJs, standing over a stove slaving, y'all. But anyway, it came down to it. Listen, I'm gonna be in my living room. I'm chilling. I got on me Whitney Houston graphic t-shirt and I got me on some leggings, okay? I can't believe this right now. Like, every year this happens to me. Every time I'm in the kitchen, everybody always comes while I'm in the kitchen. Like, it's unfair. It don't matter how early I start. I literally tried to start like prepping earlier so that I wouldn't be in the kitchen as long. So I made sure to cut my stuff up like I told y'all. That did not work. That did not work. At this point, I gotta start cooking like the day before. At this point. Cause I'd be so busy the day of that, you know, like we be doing last minute running around and stuff, and either way, the food is done. Have my auntie do a little taste test for me because, and this is another thing, like I'd be so worried, like, oh my god, do this taste good? And I feel like every time I make my lobster pasta, it tastes different every time. Like I feel like it don't be good every time, but everybody be loving it. So y'all lying to me, or is it really good? I'm about to fix my nail and then we gonna head on to the last step, and then we going downstairs to where the party's at. Get me some moisturization going while I wait. Ooh. Usually I would put this on my face, but I feel like I'm honestly gonna melt downstairs with this on my face. So I'm gonna just use this lotion right here, just so I'm not too hot, but so I'm also not ashy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but my grandfather and my dad is currently downstairs yelling at the net game. But I'm missing, like, and then I'm missing my net game, like. All right, y'all. So my Beyonce unit. So I purchased my Beyonce unit from Taytress, and then my sister, she revamped it for me and styled it for me. So she got some curls in it, so we're just gonna throw her on, y'all. I'm gonna put both of their Instagrams right there so you guys can check them out. And I'm gonna throw this wig on, and yeah, that's gonna be it. All right, y'all. So I have her on, and let me tell you something. I'm gonna wear these curls right now, but as soon as it get hot, baby, I'm gonna pull this move, okay? Y'all can see why I call this unit Beyonce, right? Highlights is on point. I'm supposed to be going downstairs, but I gotta get a picture for like a thumbnail. What y'all think? We're gonna use it anyway. I'm already getting hot, y'all, so I'm gonna call clip her back. Okay. I did a little something there. I just need my perfume. We're gonna do the green Valentino. And I'm gonna layer it with some vanilla 28. All right, for real. Now let's go downstairs to the party.